Bay Area rain puts more stress on gutters than most people expect. Clogs and debris block water before problems are visible. When gutters overflow, water spreads to walls and foundations. Small cracks or holes can cause serious damage over time. A proper inspection reveals issues early. Cleaning and repairs restore safe water flow. Well-maintained gutters protect the entire property. Clear communication ensures long-term care. It's very important to take a time for the client. Prevention is always easier than repair. Title and inspections with gutter masters cleaning and installation in our Google Business profile.